Hey guys, welcome back to GK Science Model. So today I'm gonna make a rainwater alarm. So for that we need a 9-volt battery, a electric connecting wire, a battery connector, switch, buzzer, a tape, foil paper, a knife and the cap of a jar. So first we are gonna connect the switch with the battery connector and the buzzer. Black wire of battery connector with the black wire of buzzer. Now we are gonna attach the foil paper with the cap of a jar. I have made some cuts in it. Now I'm gonna attach these two wires with this. I'm just gonna attach it with the tape. So we have made the rainwater alarm. So let's check if it's working. I forgot to attach the battery, so now let's see if it works. Now we'll put some water to see if it works. As you can see, it is making the know that it works. So I'm